Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to hide apps and games in your Samsung mobile without using any third-party apps. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you have to click in your home screen, long press, and then you will find here home screen. There will be some setting will appear. Here you have to choose this home screen settings. Simply click there and then you will see home screen setting will appear. You scroll down all the way down and then you will find here hide apps. And now whatever apps you want to hide, simply choose this apps game. Just scroll down, it will appear here. So I'm going to choose this and it's still going to appear here. Now simply click on apply and it's going to automatically hide from your menu. You can see here it's not appear anymore. So if you want to return back those apps, you can do so same way. Long press in your home screen and then click on home screen setting and then scroll down all the way down and then click on hidden apps and then click here and it's going to immediately return back as well, and then simply click on apply. So this is how you can easily hide apps and games from your Samsung mobile, but make sure it will work for your Samsung latest phone like A-series, M-series or S-series. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.